my dear crafters. So from now on, we're going to begin my Halloween 2024 series. And I already shared last week a few of the dies that I'm using for decorating my projects. And I'm going today to do that again. And now we're going to focus on Spellbinders. You might have seen this. This is from last year. It's a collection that Spellbinders has. And these are all on sale. So if you do want to have them, I'm going to soon show you some of the not the projects, but some of the little guys and girls that I put together. And if you want to get these dies, get them now because they are on sale. I'll have the link below, and I want to show you how beautiful they are. I saw them last year, didn't get them, and I just did a few weeks ago, and I've been playing with it. And this is one of the decorations that you will see in my Halloween series. So I'll show you the dies that I'm using from Spellbinders, not only for Halloween, but also a few of them will be already part of my Christmas series. So Christmas and of course craft fairs, because those are kind of combined together. So let's show you. This is the girl. I'm going to show you each one and what they look like. That's the die. You have these little pieces here. And the projects that I use them in, I will show you how to put it together, okay? But the time to get them is now because they're much cheaper. They have a great discount. So this is the little girl. It's called Dancing Girl Day of the Dead. Let me show you the ones I've made, and I'm going to leave the two last ones that are my fave for last, okay? So here they are. I'm going to put this aside. So here's one. I'm just going to kind of walk you through some of my little girls, the Day of the Dead. Guys, I'm so in love with these. See how I use some pearls and gems here. It does the dies, they do come with these flowers, and that's what you're supposed to use. But look at that. You have to use your, your creativity and all the things that you have. I thought that was great for the hair. Here's another one with the flowers, all very colorful. It's great to use and combine pattern with solid paper too. Here is another one. Beautiful little girl again with different colors. This is very Halloween inspired, and of course I just had to create, guys. I had to create these wedding ones because we all love a wedding dress. So I use some, this is a special paper that I have that is glitter paper. So I use some here and here. How pretty is that? And look, I use some small, tiny pearls here on her head. So the bride, it looks beautiful. I even put some earrings, pearl earrings. I just could not resist. And you know what this is here, the veil? It's actually two of these with one of these. Let me show you the back. So you can see that's the top and that's the bottom of the skirt. So, you just use what you have. But I also created another veil. And for the next one I created, of course, she's holding a bouquet of flowers using the flowers that come in the set. And here again, I use some pearls that I have. Not pearls, these are like gems. They're more sparkly than pearls. And with this one, I just cut it roughly like this and made a long veil for this one. Also, this one has some, I need to glue these are kind of coming off because I usually reinforce it. So this one has pearls here and here too, but I created this little little bouquet. I love this little girl. So let me show you the guy now. This one is called Dancing Boy, right? So Dancing Boy Day of the Dead. It's a collection. There is actually one that I didn't get. It's the mummy. So here are the little guys that I created. They are just fantastic together. Let me show you one of them. See, same size, so you can play with them. This is actually the first tutorial for my Halloween series. We use these guys and the girls, and the next one, which is the dancing, the Grim, okay? So here's another one, just playing with colors here. I love this one because of the guitar. My husband plays the guitar, so I just love having a guitar now to make cards for him. So that's another one, and that's the last one I want to show you. I mean, how pretty are these? And now the last one is the Dancing Grim. Oh, and I want to show you something very special about these dies, because they have a mechanism. You can either do them like this. They're just flat and straight and they don't move. I mean, look at this little guy. I love it. But you can also have a black one. Very cool. These are great for cards, for gift boxes, for everything. But here's what I want to show you. All of them have this mechanism that makes it sway like this. All of them do. It's not just this one. And I will show you, I will have in the tutorial for the first one, I will show you how to put it together. I'm not sure if it's the first one, but I will show you how to put it together in one of them. But yeah, so all of them with the little girl, it will be the same thing. You know, the body will move and sway like this one. But I only use it here. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's really playful. So you can do that with the other ones as well. So that's the Day of the Dead ones. Another one for Halloween is this little, very simple. Also, this is also on sale. At least it was when I bought it. I'll have the link below to all of them. Great for decorating your projects. A very simple die, little tiny one. It's called Jack-o'-lantern. And there you go. Show you the back. Just 3 little things that you put it together very quickly. Great for Halloween. And now let me show you some that I will use for, it's also all of these are Spellbinders. Look at this card here that I made with 2 of them. One is these little things here that you use with these, what do you call these? I forgot. The wax seal. Yeah, the wax seal. I don't know if you can see here. It has my P here, and I have a video showing you how to make these with glue, hot glue, and I have the link below. But this one uses 2. One is this one here, which makes just this. It's like a ribbon, a paper ribbon. It's just one that you cut once. These are also on sale. I think all of these that I bought are on sale. But if not, I'll have the link below and you check it. It's called Sealed Twine. So that one is this. And the other one that I bought is called Sealed Christmas Sprigs. The Sprigs. And you make these flowers. It comes with a lot of them with greens and flowers and options for you to use with those wax seals. And also with this one. So I use both of them. Look how beautiful that is. And I used the here, and I just wanted to make sure that you saw what it looked like. So this is a card, but again, you can use it in anything. And I'll be using this for cards, and you'll see also on my Christmas craft fair. Another one that I bought, and I had been looking at these also, it's also on sale, at least it was when I bought it. This Christmas tree, I love, and I love how simple it is because it's not one of those that has tons of dies. It's very simple. You can make shaker with this, and it's one of those that you actually can sew on. But you see how you can sew. I don't think I'll be doing that. It's not my thing. But even if you don't sew, it looks beautiful because it has this faux stitching on it. So I love this, and I'll be using this. I already know what. I think I'll be using that. Let me just see the size. Yes, maybe for one of my lip balm holders. I don't know, but for decorating for sure. And here is the one that I made for you, as I said, without the stitching. But I used some jewels here at the bottom and also some sparkly jewels here and here on the star. So how beautiful is that? Very quick to put together, not complicated at all, and one that I will use a lot. I'm going to play with it, but I wanted to show you at least one so that you see some possibilities and ideas. Next one I want to show you is Spellbinders, but I also bought it at Spellbinders. I have the link to all of them. I just love these 2 little guys. You can never have too many of these, and it looks very simple to put together too. You will see those decorating my projects. And the last one is a big one. So I think it's from the large die of the month kit, you know, when they have those subscriptions. at Spellbinders. Yeah, it's one of the clubs. So it's the large die of the month, but sometimes they're on sale, and they are right now. This is what they make. I love this house. Even if I don't do all those little things, I love this for the base of a card that can open up like that, or to decorate. So we'll see what I make with these, but I'm very excited. It's a great size, as you can see here. See, it cuts all these things together. I love it. But if you don't want these, if you want to use just a house, all you need to do is just come with scissors and just cut the edges here. So these were the dies that I bought. Guys, I really love it. I'm in love with these guys here. I can't stop making them, as you can see. I have so many of those, and I love that they shake and they sway. Here are some of the little girls. How cool are these? I fell in love with them last year and I never bought them because I was so busy. Oh, the brides. And there you are. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to get some of these, do use my affiliate links. It really helps the channel because we get a small commission for that. And there you are. Thank you so much for your time, and get ready next week. We're doing early, really early this year, because I want to really spend time on our craft fair series and Christmas. So we're going to have 4 or 5 of Halloween, and then we'll keep going with craft fair and Christmas, okay? Thank you so much, and you have a great day.